To transfer money from your PayPal account to your Payoneer account is actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser and you want to sign into your Payoneer account, and I'm going to do that using my NordPass password manager, which you can get in the description below. And once you are signed into your Payoneer account, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which will look something like this. So to transfer money into our account, we need to require the banking details of our Payoneer account so we can input them details onto other services to be able to receive money. So to require our banking details, we need to click on the Get Paid tab just on the left hand side menu. And on this page, it's going to give you an overview of all of the currency accounts you have connected to your Payoneer account. As you can see, I have a UK account and a USA account connected. However, you may not have any of these accounts, so you'll need to request them. So to do this, you want to click on the blue Request Accounts button at the top, and you want to make sure you are requesting a local receiving account. And then you want to read through all of this information before continuing, so you fully understand what these accounts are for. Once you're ready, you want to click on Next, and then you want to select the country/currency that you want to connect to your Payoneer account. In this case, I've already added the US and the UK account, so for this example, I'm going to select Eurozone. Once you're ready, you want to click on Next, and here it's going to give you a list of all of the accounts you are going to request, and once you're ready, you want to click on Submit Request. Once your accounts have been approved, they should appear on the approved accounts list just like this. However, if you don't see them after a few working days, you may need to provide additional information to Payoneer. So what we need to do now is to transfer money out of our PayPal account into one of these currency accounts. Now it's important you select the correct currency. So for this example, I want USD, so I'm going to select the USA account. And once you've clicked it, it's going to give you your banking information, such as your account number, your routing number, etc. So to transfer money into this account, we'll need to enter this information into our PayPal account, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So what we need to do is to log into our PayPal account, and again I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. And once you are signed into your PayPal account, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to add our Payoneer bank account details to PayPal, all we need to do is click on the Pay and Get Paid tab just at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link just underneath Wallet. Once you are on the Money page, it's going to give you an overview of how much money you have in your PayPal account along with your connected currencies. So to connect our Payoneer account, you just want to scroll down to where it says Banks, and you want to click on Link a New Bank Account. From here, you just want to go ahead and enter in your Payoneer bank details that we just looked at earlier. For example, the account number, the routing number, etc. So once you've done this, you want to go ahead and click on Agree and Link, and PayPal will need to make 2 small deposits that's less than £1 or $1, and then retrieve one of them as a withdrawal. The reason why PayPal does this is to confirm the bank account that you're connecting, so it can successfully connect to your PayPal account to your Payoneer account. So once you've connected your Payoneer account, you want to go back to the Money page, and if we scroll down to where it says Banks, it will give you a list of all of the bank accounts you've connected to your PayPal account. So to transfer monies from our PayPal account to our Payoneer account, you just want to scroll up and you want to click on the blue Transfer Money button, and then you'll be taken to the Transfer Money page. From here, you just want to select how much you want to transfer, and in this case, we're going to transfer 100 United States dollars. And then you want to select whether you want to send it in minutes with no fee, or you can send it within 1 to 3 days and fees may apply. You then want to select the correct account that you want to send the money to, in this case our Payoneer account, and then it will give us an overview of our withdrawal amount, the fee if there is one, and PayPal's exchange rate if you are exchanging between 2 currencies. Once you're ready, it will give you how much you will successfully receive, and then you want to click on Transfer Now. And once you've sent that money from PayPal, your Payoneer balance will be successfully updated, where you can go ahead and use that money just as you normally would. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.